Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to QRS offline lectures. Subject Atlas, topic tectonic and seismic zones. What is tectonics? It is the process that controls the structure and properties of the Earth's crust and its evolution through time. It describes the process of mountain building, the growth and behavior of the strong, old cores of continents known as cratons. The ways in which the relatively rigged plates that constitute the Earth's outer shell interact with each other. Tectonic segments of Pakistan. The Pakistan can be divided into various tectonic segments which are as follows. Number 1. Northern Collision Belt. Number 2. Subduction Complex Association of Balochistan. Number 3. Chaman Transform Zone. Number 4. Ophiolitis and Ophiolitic Melanges. Number 5. Platform Areas. Seismic waves. A wave of energy that is generated by an earthquake or other earth vibration and that travels within the earth or along its surface. How they create. Seismic waves are the waves of energy caused by the sudden breaking of rock within the earth or an explosion. They are the energy that travels through the earth and it's recorded on seismographs. There are several different kinds of seismic waves and they all move in different ways. The two main types of waves are body waves and surface waves. Body waves. Body waves are those waves which travels through the interior of the earth. Movement of P waves. P waves are the fastest waves created by an earthquake. They travel through the Earth's interior and can pass through both solid and molten rock. They shake the ground back and forth like a slinky in their travel direction, but do little damage as they only move buildings up and down. Secondary shear waves. Secondary waves lag behind primary waves as they travel 1.7 times slower and can only pass through solid rock. However, they do more damage because they are bigger and shake the ground vertically and horizontally. Surface waves. Surface waves are those waves which travels through the surface of the earth. How they travels. The relic waves roll along the surface described as up and over backwards roll. The surface waves do most of the damage to structure. The love waves shake us from side to side and the relay waves shake us up and down. Uses of seismic waves. On the basis of seismic waves, we differentiate different layers of earth. On the basis of seismic waves, we subclassified the layers. The four most active and regional tectonic belts in and around our Pakistan, the Hindu Kush, Karakoram, Himalaya, Chaman Fault System and Merakrunch. These are the main seismicity zones of Pakistan as well. Dear students, that's all about today's lesson. Thank you. Happy learning.